Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another review. Tonight's review is going to consist of a brand new company, a company that's come out with a monthly subscription that is really good on your pocket. The company is called Blue-Eyed Bigfoot Beard Oil. Stay tuned. Welcome back guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much, I really appreciate it. Tonight we're going to talk about a company called the Blue-Eyed Bigfoot Beard Oil Company. That's a tongue twister, and I hope I don't have to say that too many times on this video. They're a brand new company that just came out in August. They are going to have a monthly subscription of oils for $9.99 a month to your door shipped. That's with a free comb as well. That's right, you heard me right. $9.99 shipped to your door. If you would be interested in their triple oil, it's $19.99. The size of their bottles are 15 ml, and they plan on being different, and I say different as in they're going to come out with a different scent each month. Granted, they're gonna actually make a few more extras in case somebody wanted to buy an extra bottle or two or whatever. It's a small batch company. And I've had these products for almost a month now. I've tried each one of them. I have 3 scents, one unscented, one that's called Coffee Shop, and one that's called Hibernate. I'm going to go there for you guys. Remember, this company is called Blue-Eyed Bigfoot Beard Oil Company. Very long name, but they're pretty cool. When you order, you get a pretty awesome sticker. Everybody knows who that guy is. And like I said, it's $9.99 a month. It's a subscription service, and it's going to be a different scent each month. So if you get a scent one month and you really like it, you better grab another one or two because it'll be gone. There's not going to be many more made. The ingredients in these oils, I had to write them down because they're not on the bottles. The sweet almond oil, avocado, sunflower, and jojoba oil are the ingredients. The first one we'll go over is unscented, and when you get an oil that's unscented, there should be absolutely no scent whatsoever. And then this I get absolutely no scent profile. And the oil's a little bit on the thick side. In the bottles, like I said, they're 15 ml. Pretty cool. And these are I like these size bottles because you can just stick them in your pocket without your pocket bulging out. Next one we'll go over real quick is called Hibernate, and this is a lavender type scent. Same carrier ingredients. And this one, it's a lavender, so it's going to be good during the daytime. It's going to be good during the evening because you get that nice soothing lavender scent. And that's pretty much all you smell is the lavender. And it's not a real punch you in the face type strong scent. It's a subtle, smooth, throw in before you go to bed, lay down, and you fall right to sleep smelling this stuff. It's really good oil. And the last one is called Coffee Shop. And of course it's going to smell like coffee. You do get a little bit of vanilla and cocoa in it. Excuse me. And it just smells like a really good cup of coffee with a little bit of vanilla and cocoa in it. And again, the consistency of the oil, it's a little bit on the thicker side. And it's almost, it's pretty clear, as you can see. I've had these oils for a month. Before I forget, you do get a nice small wooden comb for each order. And I know we all got these laying around, at least a half a dozen of them. The break test, yeah, it's breakable, but I'm not gonna break it because it's a nice wooden comb, and it glides right through the beard like a normal wooden comb would do. And it comes in a little sack like that. Feel in beard, makes my beard soft. It's not greasy. I get a sort of a shine, not a whole lot of shine to it. The longevity of them, the coffee shop, being a coffee shop scent, it's going to last the longest. I think I get about 6.5 hours, maybe a little bit longer than that. Felt good in beard. The Hibernate was a nice lavender, soothing scent. Just overall pretty good products. Guys, I've said it before, these new companies coming out with these scents, these oils, they're doing big things. They're making these oils that work really well. And due to COVID, if you're on a budget, like $9.99 a month, I mean, you cannot beat that. They get a different scent each month. If you want the triple, the 3 bottles, it's $19.99. I'll put everything in the description box below, guys. If I was on a budget, or if I even wasn't on a budget, I would definitely check these guys out again. I'm interested to see what they do with having these new scents per month. I think it's different. I think they'll do really good having different scents each month. Remember, Blue-Eyed Bigfoot Beard Oil Company. Blue-Eyed Bigfoot Beard Company. Say that 4 times. You can't do it. Guys, I appreciate you hanging around. I want to thank the guys at Blue-Eyed Bigfoot Beard Oil Company for sending these out to review. I appreciate all the support, everybody. Thank you so much. Everything will be in the description box below. Until the next time, peace. Guys, thanks for sticking around. If you're still here, I appreciate all the support. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button.